Now, one last homemade video. I will show you in the video. I will look important one I show you. But you need to watch this. They processed my laptop for over 3 hours and I get pissed off. And then I started showing something. So there are things going on in the background. Stuff to prove that I'm really spending money that I have. I have to start it. So I buy it. What's the matter? It's too much? Now, let me process some things in the kitchen. In your life, everything you do, you have magazine, you capture everything. In my life, I like to keep stuff to prove that I'm really spending money that I have no way to prove it. So I buy things and I keep some of the things to prove that I really buy things. Because if you buy it and you get rid of the boxes, you can prove that you're really spending money. These are waffles. And the waffle is here. Three, 6, 9, 12. Let me fast forward it. 14. And 17, 18, 9. Off. And I just cook. Right. Remember things I have off. And I just cook. Right. Remember you love me. Time is all we have until the day we say goodbye. I remember every moment, the endless summer night. There's only so much I can give. Please don't. What's the matter? This is how you process my laptop. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm laughing because you don't know. They let me wait for 3 hours to access my laptop. Felicia. Felicia. Lovely cake. Cookies. 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 Special. Cookies. Egg. Specialized. Egg. 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 Cookies. Cookies. Egg. Egg. Syrup. 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 From the Ali, from the leader, Happy meal, happy meal, happy meal, happy meal. Cheese, rice, beans, darling, beans, corn, rice. Because they process my laptop, and I was saying, if you want to process my laptop, this is how you process it. Okra, beans. I was pissed off. So I was pissed off, and then they stopped the video. I did not plan to stop it. They stopped it, and then I gonna say, what's the matter? It's too much sugar. This is how you post it. What's the matter? It's too much. Wait a minute. Sugar. Let's stop. This is how you process my laptop. 2. What's the matter? It's too much? Sugar. Let's stop. What's the matter? Too much for your eyes. What's this? Stopping my laptop for 3 hours to look at my video there. What's that? What's that work in the house? Because the laptop is my thinking. You have no right to stop my laptop. Try to read my mind. It is my private. I don't go on YouTube. What on a laptop is private, is for me. You go in on YouTube, it's published. What touch is it? The laptop, you stop it for 3 hours. Checking it. Yeah? I'm in the laptop with my breast, with my vagina. It's private. You have no right to touch it. This is private. So, let me show you what you don't process. The thing. No. Process. Stop. Ah. What's this? Kim Kardashian. What's this? Oh. I think I have something to show you. So that's what's going on. I have private videos in my laptop, and they stopping my laptop like for 3 hours checking my videos. It is not YouTube videos. It's a, like now they're sending me a message. Yeah. They pull it away when I want to show it. You can hear the sound. This is my private. I buy it. It's not even 2 months ago because my other laptop they break it. This is a new one, and they going through my stuff, disturbing me. And when I want to go through my laptop, they block it. This, sorry, they say it's being processed. So it make me pissed off, and I have. Okay, here you can see.
Let's see if you can start the computer. It's my laptop. Internet cable is not connected. But today is 17th of July, 1838. After the Virginians fuck all the dead man in the graveyard, they think 1838, 17th July 2015, we are in charge, we can turn off your laptop. Okay. Start it. When you start it, I turn it off.
They disturbing me inside my house. Sometimes I just want to make homemade video with me and the kids. But the minute I'm busy, they process in my laptop. And now they turn off the 2 new telephones. They're sending me a message again. They turn off the new telephone. And now the kids have my laptop. And I have to talk and talk in YouTube.
I don't want to make the starting of the laptop. Someone can start my laptop without a cable. I'm making a homemade video.
They put a couple of minutes. They say I was busy.
Interfere with my video without internet. You can process a laptop without the cable.
They give me a couple of minutes. The computer was gonna be started.
Minus the cable, I have a question. How is it possible for you to reach me without the connection?
Because it was not internet. How can they process my laptop without a cable? Because it's a system. I was waiting. They give me a couple of minutes that my laptop was gonna be started. There, they stop it. The message, what you see in the computer, it's what was going on. They were warning me how much I was taping on my video. They just start my computer, my laptop. I was busy taping me like for 2 hours. I reached 46 minutes. They send me a message that my computer is about to start over. And in this, I have private videos.
Okay, come.
This is how the video starts. It's all made video, me and my children. My son was not yet back from school. We was waiting for him.
In I finished with myself. 7 minutes. With myself.
And I want to tape when my son is coming in the house, and then they stop I came with my son. You will see. Let me fast forward it. I will show you in the next. They're telling me I have to charge my battery. Wait. I will show you because I carry my son in my back and show it in the laptop, and then they turn my computer off. They turn my laptop off, laptop, computer, whatever.